Hello. I want to make a simple tool I've been thinking about that can help make some operations easier for guys like myself who work alone. The interior diameter of this pipe is 30 millimeters, and this medium carbon rod is also 30 millimeters. A bit tight, so I just did a little bit of grinding on one piece to make it move freely. I'm also thinking that I can use square stock with this tool. I need to give a shout out to Rod Bambauer for his recent generous donation to my channel. Thank you very much. The shelf below my hardy hole means I don't always have to shoulder hardy tools. The hardy hole is just a hair off of 3/4 inch, so I just do a little bit of simple grinding on this piece. This pipe has 6 millimeter thick walls. I've noticed that thicker pipe like this seems to be mostly seamless and not welded. Having it seamless can help. There's no internal weld for the moving part to catch on. Definitely should have heated this piece more. I've said it before, I'm pretty good at welding, but it's impractical for me to weld in my location, and the professional welder I use can weld better than me in his sleep. So after a little bit of dressing, this is coming together fine. Here I'm doing my best Marcel Marceau impersonation, trying to show how using a handled tool like this leads me to not being able to hold the workpiece when hammering. A clear ring of the quenched steel lets me know there are no cracks. I decided to make the guide round because I plan to use this from different angles depending on the work being done, and my seated position is relatively static. And I made the height what it is so I can fit tools like this swage beneath the tool. This combined with the round guide adds some versatility. I need to get more used to using this tool. It won't take the place of my guillotine tool for simultaneous top and bottom operations, but I can see many uses for this top die guide tool: fullering, cutting, punching, offsetting, etc. Plan on seeing this tool a lot more. Catch you guys next time.